welcome back to maths class. Again, I'm here with chapter number 6, division. In the last class, I have introduced you what is division, and in this class, we are going to learn the concept of division is also known as repeated subtraction. Okay, so division as repeated subtraction we are going to learn in this video. Now, how to do that? Let us see. As you can see here, I have taken one example. There are 10 toffees and 5 children are there. These 10 toffees we have to divide among 5 children equally. Okay. And how are we going to do this? Let us see by the same concept what we have learned in the previous class, that is division is equal, like sharing or equal distribution. So we'll start dividing these toffees among all the 5 children equally. So let us start. First, we'll give one toffees to each. Okay. All are getting one toffees, right? Okay. Now, how many toffees I have given? I have given one toffees to each. So, how many toffees do I have now? 5 toffees I have already given. So, I will just erase 5 toffees from here. Okay. Now, see how many toffees are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toffees are left with me. Now, again these 5 toffees I am going to distribute among the 5 children equally. So, 1 toffee here. Okay. Like this. In this way. So, you can see here I have distributed all these 5 toffees again to all the 5 children. Now, how many toffees do I have here? I have nothing. Okay. That means you can see here each child is getting how many toffees? Each child is getting 2 toffees. Right? Now this 2 toffees, that means equal distribution is what? Every child is getting 2 each. Now the same thing we are going to explain in the form of subtraction. So how am I going to do this? See, 10, since 2 toffees we are getting, okay, every child is getting 2 toffees. So I am going to subtract 2 from 10 first. So this is first 10. Okay. So how much is left? 8 is left. Again I have to keep on subtracting till I get 0. So still it is not 0, it is 8. I have to get it 0. Okay. Again I am going to subtract 2. And you know why am I subtracting 2? Because each child is getting 2 toffees. So I have to subtract 2 from the previous number. Now this is the second time. Now here 6 is left. Again some number is there. Again I am going to subtract 2. Then 4. This is the third time. Okay. Then fourth time when I am subtracting, I am getting 2. I'll write here. Okay, still I have 2, it is not 0 yet. So again I will divide another 2. Now 2 minus 2 is coming 0. This is the fifth time. Okay, so every child is getting, this is the first child, second child, third child, fourth child. When I gave 2 to first child, still 8 was left. Then again I gave, because I have to divide equally, no? So then again I divide I gave another 2 toffees to second child. Then 6 was left. Then again I divide gave it to third child. 4 was left. 4 toffees were left. Then when I gave 2 toffees to fourth child, again 2 toffees were left. Then those 2 toffees I gave it to the fifth child. And now I am having 0. That means I have divided all the 10 toffees equally among the 5 students or children. Okay. Now this can be repeated, like no, this can be written in the form of division also, like how? So how many toffees were there? 10. 10, and then I am going to put this division sign, as you know, this is division sign, and dividing by, 5. Okay, because 5 children were there, right? So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now every child is going to get 2 toffees. Every child is going to get 2 toffees. Okay. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, because this 10 has been divided among 5 children. Had it been just the opposite, say for example, if I write 10 divided by 2, that means this 10 toffees are divided among 2 children. Then each child will get how many? Will get 5 toffees each. Alright. Now, from this concept, from this example, we learn that division is also known as repeated subtraction. Right. Now, this is read in this form. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. That means from here we understand that each child will get 2 toffees equally. Everyone will get 2 toffees equally. So this is the whole concept of division as repeated subtraction, and it is also given in your book in page number 89. You can see, fill in the blank. You see page number 89. One first example is done for you. The second one is undone, which you have to do. Now the subtraction is already shown. You have to write in the form of division. So the second one is 12 divided by, it is divided among 3 students. So when you divide anything 12 or number 12 by 3, then you get how many times it is being divided? For 1 time, second, third, fourth. So 4 times. That means every child is going to get, all the 4 children are going to get 3 toffees or whatever the number is being. Okay. So in the division form, how you are going to write? You will write 12 divided by 3. So when 12 divided by 3, yeah, it is like, no, I want to correct it again. Here this 12 is divided among 3 students, and when 12 is divided among 3 students, then each child is going to get what, a 4 number. Okay. Then in the next one, 20 is divided among 5 students. So when 20 is divided among 5 students, then 20 divided by 5 is 4. The answer will be 4. Okay. In this way, I am going to give you few more. I will be sending you in the link few more examples which it is not here. I will give you few more questions which you will do it in your copy. You will do this in the book, page number 89 in the book itself, and along with that I will send you few more questions which you will complete it in your CW Math CW copy. Okay, and please do practice these concepts, because this is a new concept for you, for your class. So you need to practice it, otherwise you may not get it. Okay, so till then just keep practicing and keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.